So what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Kind of got an impromptu video. I'm actually getting some maintenance done on the BMW as we speak. It's time for spark plugs and stuff. If you want to see that video, I post a lot of the car builds and car maintenance stuff over on TK's Garage too. But in today's video, and we're not going to be here not super long, I said this before. Remember I said that the diesel shops and a lot of these shops that were getting indicted, that the process had already been started before President Trump came into office. Well, yeah, that's facts. And we're finding that out today as the DOJ has dismissed one of the cases already against a diesel shop, basically saying that they didn't have the authority to bring forth the indictment in the first place. Where did you hear that before? Oh, that's right. We talked about this like 2 weeks ago. Roll the intro.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
So guys, today we have the first of what I think is going to be many Department of Justice dismissals of cases. And in case you didn't know, people are like, well, there's only like 2. No, there's actually 9 pending cases, all dealing with the Clean Air Act, all dealing with companies that either sold defeat devices, installed defeat devices, or just deleted entire emission systems for profit. Now, what's crazy about that is 5 of those were just not even like registered businesses, just a guy in his garage removing stuff off of a vehicle for a friend, and the government went after him. Well, shocker, case got dismissed. Now, do I think this is going to happen on every single one of these cases? Yes, I do. I think they're all going to end up being dismissed. I mean, if you look at the minutes at some of the other cases, like the one in Maryland, I forget what the other one is, and the one that we just saw get dismissed in Ohio today, you're going to see the government's filing for these continuances because they're looking at how they write this up to dismiss it. Because believe it or not, this is crazy as hell. Even if the federal government wants to dismiss the case, the judge still has to approve the dismissal. Make this make sense. We've seen this already with Eric Adams, the mayor of New York's case, where the government decided not to prosecute him on corruption or whatever after President Trump came into office. But they still haven't fully dismissed that case because a judge hasn't signed off on it yet. So it's shocking. But like I said, I think this is just one of many that we're going to see here in the near future. If you guys want to laugh, I went ahead and added a little clip here to the end of the video for the meat riders. I call that the tree hugging. Most of these people probably work at CARB. They probably swing from like California Resource Board's ball sack. You're going to get a laugh out of it. So stay for past the outro to see that. You're going to laugh. Anyways, I thought it was interesting. It was breaking news while we were doing the premiere, talking about all the industries and companies that were dropping letters to Congress telling them to hurry. We need to hurry up. Put this CRA through now. We've got the other one on tires done. We got the other one done on methane and drilling. We need this one on vehicle emissions done now. And we just did a video on that. In fact, Digital in Motion even did a much deep dive into it. I'm going to link to his video in the description down below and what it means for diesel deletes, emissions deletes, period, in the near future. But this is big news because all of the naysayers, these scumbags in the comments were like, well, they're still indicting people, TK. They're still indicting people. Yeah, these cases were already at grand jury before Inauguration Day. Now, as the DOJ is going over these cases, they're saying, this doesn't line up with what we want to do at the Department of Justice. Bye. Told you so. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Go check out the Dizzle in Motion video. I'm going to link his video in the description down below. And go check out tksgarage.com. We got the brand new merch store website as well. So if you want to see the like our videos and there's something that you can't find on YouTube, it is on the website. Same thing for our Instagram and the like. But anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And as always, stay petty, my friends.
That looks perfect! I can't wait to ride it. Yep.
That's what you meat riders get.